Can this girl survive alone in the jungle? The trees block the sunlight. Every step sinks into wet mud. Mist curls around the roots, hiding shadows. A rustle sounds. Is it an animal or just the wind? Her heart beats fast. She feels tired and scared. She follows a small stream, watches the trees carefully, moves slowly, step by step, crawling under vines, pushing through leaves, never stopping. Finally, she finds a small open space with sunlight, safe, alive, and ready to go on. Could you survive alone in the jungle?